I was born with a disease. I've had it all my life. Osteogenesis Imperfecta. I have the most common type of osteogenesis imperfecta, type 1. It's the most common out of the 8 types, but I'm still only one out of only about 30,000, which isn't a lot. It's an extremely rare disease. I was born with this disease, and I will always have it. It's because it's a genetic disorder. One little gene in my DNA wasn't right. Now, my body can't produce enough type 1 collagen. Now, collagen is the stuff that makes your nails and your hair healthy. For many, it's what they want to keep their skin looking young. The collagen binds together and holds together, making things strong, less likely to break, crack, or wrinkle. But more importantly, it keeps your bones strong. And my bones aren't strong. I don't produce enough type 1 collagen, so the spongy part of my bone is brittle and weak. And some people, the bones aren't even strong enough to stay straight, and their legs and arms bow. There's simply not enough collagen to bind together to make strong bones or strong teeth. Though my fractures will become less common after puberty, I will have permanent effects. For example, the white of my eyes are tinted blue. I will always suffer from loose joints and weak muscles. Sadly, many of us become deaf as well. Even the tiny bones in our ears have a tendency to break. We have treatments of sorts. The medication we can start really early. Drugs like tipifarnide, allodoic acid, and pamidoric acid. It helps my bone from becoming brittle. Supplements of calcium and vitamin D, and hopes our bones will become stronger. I've been through a lot of physical therapies myself. And on a more serious term, I've seen the surgeries for a crooked leg or scoliosis caused by this disease. But surprisingly, we live as long as everyone else does. I may not be the strongest, but I make it work.